Hello guys, Art-Teeves here. This is the third and final video of my playlist that covers the process of texturing an improvised swamp plant in Substance Painter. Let's get started. First things first, I bake my high poly model to a low poly one. I set the highest possible amount of raise on all tabs, disable the ID section, set my subsampling to 16, and set most intersections to same named meshes only. Also, I changed suffixes to LP and HP to match my naming of model parts that originates from the 3ds Max scene. My low poly model is completely smooth, while my high poly model contains all smoothing groups data we will need. For demo purposes, I use a 2K Reso UV map. My padding is set to 8. I start texturing by using the default Creature Skin Green Smooth Smart material. I create two versions of it, mask the second one, add a fill layer to it, and use a dirt gradient on it while playing around with its color and global balance. Also, I increase its roughness a little bit and play around with color and roughness settings of some of its layers. I put both layers into a separate folder, mask it, and use a polygon fill tool to only apply it to the stems of my plant. I create a height data layer, mask it, increase its height obviously, and apply a range map 005 to its fill layer. I set its styling to 6, yours may depend on the size of your model. Next I create a bright fill layer, mask it, and apply a mask editor to it only to play a bit with its curvature. I use it to give those stems some bright highlights. Flower spheres receive two additional versions of the same Creature Skin Green Smooth Smart material. One is the overall paint, while the other one is masked and embedded as a paint layer to paint those side bulbs on flower spheres. Also, I've added a height data layer that is masked with the black and white spots 1 mask. This layer gives my flowers some better texture. Prime highlights are created by using baked lighting stylized and playing a little bit with its colors and angles. I add 2 baked lightings to my scene to add some kind of undertones to the flower and also give it an overall stylized look. Finally, there's a paint layer that has all of its blending options set to pass through. I use the clone stamp tool to mask all visible UV seams. Our stems have some visible UV seams as well, but those look pretty fine, so I don't see much use in masking them. I simply duplicate my last Creature Skin Green Smooth Smart material, make it darker, mask it, and use a paint layer to paint all side bulbs of my flowers. Make sure to alter your environment settings now and then, and watch your model from different angles and perspectives, so you don't miss any seams that may be hidden now, but will get exposed by the environment. Finally, I create a height data layer that is masked with a black and white spots 1 mask. And this is it. Thanks for watching, guys. If my videos are of use to you, please be my guest and subscribe to my channel for more stylized content. And most importantly, have a great day!